Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about the Fotor app. Fotor app. And it's a really cool app. You can do all kinds of stuff, change, the color, get it enhanced. It has an AI tool. It has all kinds of effects. And I kind of just ran into this, but it's a very cool app. And you can even make a selfie there as you have this avatar maker. And so today I'm gonna be, I love the app. I'm just gonna do a quick review and show you how the app works. So you go right here by the edit button, and you pick a picture like this, and you can add all kinds of effects, change the contrast and tones. You also have the AI, all these effects right here, all these effects, change the color, text, distortion, as you can see right here. Kind of changes the whole, the background. You can crop it. So here's the AI tool. Pressing the first one right here. There it is. You have your abstract art. Press it again. Try a different one. Let's see here. Color fantasy. As you show, just great. Takes the picture to a whole nother level. You can also adjust it. And, it's just a cool app. Here's one of Van Gogh. There's a Van Gogh piece, but I really like it because you can make a good picture for any accounts you have, LinkedIn, Twitter or whatever, with the avatar. So that's how you work it. You edit your photos. All these photos I have right here, and has landscapes, templates, the avatar maker. So we'll try it again. We'll go right here we'll pick a picture, and we'll go to just do enhanced, gives it some more brightness and color. Then we'll check out an effect. There it is, It's a really cool app. It's on the Android, Microsoft, Apple, and I fix lots of pictures with this, selfies, whatever, and let's do a selfie right now, just to kind of show you. Okay, we'll hit that one, then we'll go background. You want to change the background or whatever, shape. There we go. It has this endless amounts of 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 effects. You know what I mean? It just has endless amounts of effects, and it has this endless amounts of effects. Right here, distort the picture, background, crop. And it's just really cool. You can really get all kinds of details and stuff with this. And I said it's the Fotor Fotor app. You just kind of gotta mess around with it with a little bit, you know. And it's really cool. It's really cool. Really cool app. So check it out. It's the Fotor app. It's on the Google Play Store, and it has pro features. You can sign up for that. AI face new. I'll try it again. $2 minutes. Oh shit. Oh. Well, there you go. This is Moonbase off of 2020. This is a Fotor app, and we out.